Hello, good morning, good afternoon. Ang aking pong video is like how to make siopaw or pork bun, steamed pork bun. Dalawa po ang aking flavor. One is boiled egg and then is a pork bun. So, this is called siopaw. So, the recipe is I make like 5 cups of flour, 1.5 of sugar, white sugar, 1 1/4 tablespoon of baking powder. So you mix it. That is our dry ingredients, dry mixture. I-separate po sa mixing bowl in dry, and then you make like 6 tablespoon of shortening and 1 pouch of a yeast. So you mixture with 2.5 tablespoon of white sugar with warm water. You mix it together until it like rise, like I think 10-15 minutes, and wait until it rise, and you mix it with 2 cups of warm water. Mix it together and to make dough for your siopaw. So but today I didn't make I have a different types of meat flavor. So I use like barbecue, Filipino barbecue style for my palaman sa aking siopaw. This is my version and my kids love my siopaw. So ayan. And then pag nag-boil po kayo ng tubig para hindi po maganda yung resulta ng ating siopaw, maputi, lagyan niyo po siya ng vinegar pag ini-steam niyo po siya. And then you steam for like 15 minutes. And then I will show. And here is my siopaw. There you are. Kain na tayo. Let's eat. Look. Yummy, yummy siopaw. Ayan, mainit pa po. Tikman natin. Delicious. Thank you. Follow and share. Subscribe to my channel. Ryan Vlog. Bye. Have a good day. Thank you.